my sweet cakes, and welcome to Auntie Nellie's Kitchen. This is an easy bake moment. Today we are going to make royal frosting. So to start off, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of meringue powder, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 6 tablespoons of water, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to whisk together our meringue powder and our powdered sugar on a low speed. And that is because you don't want powder going everywhere. And now on a medium-low speed, we're going to add our water and our vanilla. Bump it up to medium speed, and we're going to do this for about 7 to 10 minutes. You know when you're finished when you have stiff peaks. And there you go, as you can see that it's nice and firm, and this is great for piping. All right, so I'm going to divide up my frosting so that I have half for piping and half for flooding. Now, to make flooded icing, you're going to add a teaspoon of water at a time so that you get the right consistency. We know the frosting is the right consistency because it drips off your spoon or your spatula very easily. And that's it. Now you have your firm frosting and your runny frosting, and you can use this frosting to frost your sugar cookies. And that's it for our easy bake moments. Tune in next time, my sweet cakes.